In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Affinity Designer. If you've received a PDF that needs a quick fix, maybe correcting a typo or moving a graphic, Affinity Designer makes it straightforward to open the file and make precise, layout-friendly adjustments. Start by launching the Affinity Designer app. With the app open, head to the File menu in the top left corner and choose Open. In the dialog that appears, navigate to the PDF you want to work with and select it. After you choose your file, Affinity Designer will display a PDF import window. This step is important because it determines how editable the contents will be. For most cases, you can accept the defaults and click OK to load the PDF. If you see options related to text, such as importing text as real text versus curves, remember that importing as text keeps it editable, while curves lock it into shapes. If your PDF has multiple pages, you can pick the page you want to work on before proceeding. Once the file opens, you can edit the text. Select the text tool, click directly on the text you want to change, and start typing. Many PDFs break paragraphs into several individual text frames, so you may need to edit line by line or frame by frame. If you notice a font warning or the text doesn't look quite right, it may be using a substituted font. Use the character panel to choose a suitable replacement. If a text block behaves like a shape and doesn't let you place a cursor, that means it was outlined in the original PDF, so it's no longer editable text. In that case, you can replace it by adding a new text frame and matching the style as closely as possible. You can also move elements around the page. Switch to the Move tool, click any object and drag it to a new position. Hold Shift to keep the movement perfectly horizontal or vertical, and use the arrow keys for small nudges. If snapping is enabled, elements will align neatly to other objects and guides, which helps keep your layout tidy. If you select something and several pieces move together, that means they're grouped. Moving them as a unit can preserve the design structure. For images and icons, you can reposition and scale them while watching the bounding box to avoid distortion. That's it. Open the PDF, confirm the import, edit text where available, and move elements to refine the layout. With these steps, you can quickly make professional updates to a PDF right inside Affinity Designer.